Would you like a hand getting your recording gear working at home? For $100 I'll connect your place and leave you recording high quality tracks with your own gear. Do you want to just focus on your creativity and performance? After a couple hours with me, I guarantee you will be more confident and better prepared to hit record when creativity strikes. Watching tutorials can be helpful, however they'll only get you about 80% of the way there, as your music, your style and your gear will always need a unique approach. Sometimes keeping up with the jargon alone can make the simple seem more complicated than it needs to be. I've spent decades recording myself and other musicians in all sorts of different environments around New Zealand, including basements, garages, bedrooms, lounges, warehouses, yeah, you name it. And I've set up many project studios and home studios as well. And now I help Kiwi musicians do the same thing at high quality for cheap. These recordings have been successfully used for many purposes, including building fan bases, promoting to other musicians, hiring musicians, promoting to venues, labels, achieving NZD funding, streaming, TV and radio playback, as well as for personal enjoyment. After working with me, you'll be recording your music to a higher quality. You'll have more control over your creative process, and you'll find more inspiration in your own music. Plus, you will save hundreds of dollars by not buying into marketing hype for products you don't need. So depending on where you're at, one session with me should be all you need to get your existing gear set up and working better for you. And if you need more time, just let me know. Please check out my website or YouTube channel to get a better idea as to what I'm all about and to get some free recording advice. Or email me to schedule a time at your place for $100.